Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TaskEasy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin logging into TaskEasy, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.taskeasy.com and press enter. On the TaskEasy homepage, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your email and one for your password. In the email field, enter the email address associated with your TaskEasy account. Next, proceed to the password field. Type in your password carefully, making sure there are no typos. Once both fields are filled in, look for the login button. Click on the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into TaskEasy. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and new password to log in. Now you are ready to use TaskEasy for all your lawn care and landscaping needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.